printing cloud engine. And these are the Sculpteo thingies. They printed in one job, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 3, 21. That's 147, something like that. Wow! Oh, you do ceramic printing too?
Yes.
What kind of machine do you have for this?
I can tell you, because we are not using the printers of 3D system, for example. For ceramics, there is always a two-step process. So we are first 3D printed them, and then they are being glazed and fired.
I see. So it's glazed over the plastic?
This one is not ceramics. This one is ceramics.
Oh, I see. And so beneath this there is a base of...
It's not plastic, it's another kind of material.
Oh, I see. Okay. And what is this called?
This one is a sandstone base.
Sandstone. Now, let's see. So you have 2 locations, US and Europe.
Exactly.
And automatic quotation. 60 materials. How do you work?
Sorry?
How do you work?
Well, real service, so we need you to provide a 3D file. If you can get this, you can go online, we'll have the quotation directly online, you can place the order online, print for you, and email you the item.
And you can produce in high volume?
Yeah.
Where are you?
San Francisco and France.
And they're printed on site in San Francisco?